AWS CodeCommit is a fully managed source control service in the cloud. It makes it easy for company to host secure, highly scalable, Git-based repositories. CodeCommit eliminates the need to operate your own source control system or worry about scaling its infrastructure. With CodeCommit, you can securely store anything from source code to binaries. AWS CodeCommit works seamlessly with your existing Git tools. Here are the key benefits. Fully managed. AWS CodeCommit eliminates the need to host, maintain, backup, and scale your own source control servers. As your project grows and the number of repository size increases, the service automatically scales. Secure. AWS CodeCommit automatically encrypts your files in transit and at rest. CodeCommit is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management, AWS IAM, allowing you to customize user-specific access to your repositories. With Git credentials, you can also generate a static username and password in AWS IAM to access AWS CodeCommit repositories. High availability. AWS CodeCommit has a highly scalable, redundant, and durable architecture. The service is designed to keep your repositories highly available and accessible. Collaborate on code. AWS CodeCommit helps you collaborate on code with teammates. You can also implement workflows that include code reviews and feedback by default, and control who can make changes to specific branches. Faster development lifecycle. AWS CodeCommit keeps your repositories close to your build, staging, and production environments in the AWS cloud. You can transfer incremental changes instead of the entire application. This allows you to increase the speed and frequency of your development lifecycle. Use your existing tools. AWS CodeCommit supports all Git commands and works with your existing Git tools. You can keep using your preferred development tools with CodeCommit.